Okay, good day guys. Today we'll be discussing about how to download Landsat satellite imagery. Landsat satellite imagery. So before we proceed, please guys, please help me subscribe. Thank you very much guys. So if you want to download it, is Landsat satellite imagery. First thing, you come to the Chrome and search for Earth Explorer USGS. Either you can type Earth Explorer or just USGS Earth Explorer. Click on it, then click on this first one. So wait for it to load. So when it loads, it will bring this interface. So you have to log in, but for me now, I can log in because I have my details. I have signed up initially already. So but if you know you are just a newcomer here, you have to create an account. Okay, so you can see now, you can see my password and my username is already there. So I just click on sign in with USGS password. So now we are in. So you can see now brought out my username. But so that is to signify that I have logged in. So let the interface load, and please make sure you have a strong internet network so it won't delay you. Okay, good. So let's say I'm downloading a satellite imagery of a particular location within Ondo State. So first thing first, come here under this search criteria. You see feature GNIS. Click on it and click on address. You understand? Address. So type your location. let's say Akure. Ondo State, Nigeria. Okay, then click on show. Understand? Show. So it will show the latitude and longitude of Akure. You understand? So you now come down to this area. Click on add coordinates. So yeah, it brought out the interface for you to type your coordinates. So for the latitude, you can see it here now. The latitude is, you can see it here now. The latitude is 7.2571, while the longitude is 5.2058. So let's type the latitude out. Latitude 7.2571. Then the longitude 5.2058. Good. For this, that's for the degree. So for the minutes, just put 0, seconds 0, minutes 0, seconds 0. Change this west under this longitude. Change this west to east. So I'll go to then click on add. So it would load the map. Can you see now? Akure inside Ondo State. You understand now? So it's pinned out just one location. So you can zoom in to your preferred location, your preferred study area inside the Akure. But you can see now that the map of Akure is shown here. So let me just, you can, so for you to create a polygon, just click on anywhere. Can you see now? Click on this. It brought out a particular pinpoint. Click here. Since I'm dealing with the entirety of Akure, so I make sure it's round. It comes round. Bring this one, drag this one here. So can we see that it has covered the whole of Akure? It has covered the whole of Akure. So you scroll down. So under this date range, from, for example, if you are working with if you want to create, if you are working with maybe land use land cover, and you're asked to create maps for 2005, like 5 years interval, 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020, 2025. This is exactly where you will be able to set your date range. So you put your preferred dates. If you are to use the map of 2010, put from 2010 January and then 2010 December. So the map it will be bringing for you be between the range of January 2010 and December 2010. So that is how to set your date range. Then you come down, click the next icon, cloud cover. So for me, I prefer to reduce it down to 15%. So this one helps you to make sure your map is not cloudy. You understand? Make sure your map is not cloudy. Then let's come back. Let's come back to this data set. Come up here. We are done with search criteria 1. Let's come to the data set. Let's go down here to Landsat. You see now Landsat here. Click on it. So come down to this Landsat collection 2 level 1. So most of the Landsat images that we're using nowadays is Landsat 8, Landsat 7, 8, 9. So you can just click on this Landsat 8 to 9. These two. So we're done here. So let's come to these additional criteria. These ones, satellite. This one is really not necessary. Let's just leave it. Come down to the results. So when you click the results, it will bring out everything, all the maps for the particular date range and the cloud cover you've set. So see this first one icon. So for you to check where this is on the map, click on this like footprint icon here. Show footprints. So can you see? Very good. That one covered even more than where we expected. So check these two. You can see that one also covered it. This one also covered it. Let's check this. Same thing, covered it. Same thing, covered it. Good. So let's now decide on the one to choose. You can see that this one is having a little bit of cloud cover, so that's a red flag. So I'm thinking this one should be the best. I think this one is very okay. This one. So come down here to download options, then click on download options. Okay, so you can see add all files to bulk. We brought out the band. This one's 13 files, 14 files. This reflectance is we are using this level 2 temperature bands. So okay, download all files now. Add all files to bulk. So either you prefer to add all files to bulk, I think it will now make it a zip file, or download all files now. So let's try. Let's download this. So you can see, but there are some people that there are some mappers that prefers to download bands by bands. For example, if you are dealing with NDVI, I think band 2 and 3, or if you have a specific band you want to download, so you can just come down to this option, download option, and download the specific band you want, instead of just downloading all and wasting your data. You understand? So But if you just want everything in a zip file, click on this download here, up here, download. So everything will be downloaded for you in a zip file, so sorry. So when everything has been downloaded, then you extract it. But by the time you extract it, you will find all the bands there. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. You can see now it's already downloading. You can see it's already downloading everything as a zip. You can see as a zip file. Let me show you everything. You can see now it's downloading everything as a zip file. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. So please don't forget to subscribe to see more of these videos. Thank you so much. So you can now use it for anything you want to use it for. Either you're creating a land use land cover map, creating an NDVI, NDWI, deforestation monitoring, anything you want to use it for.